Hello everyone, Jeff with a Green Review. I'm picking Cornelian Cherry Dogwood fruits. The Cornelian Cherry is, the botanical name is Cornus moss. It's a great small tree, large shrub. It is good for privacy. It's a good small plant, but it also has bright yellow flowers in the spring, one of the earliest spring blooming plants in the Midwest, and so it's very attractive. Late winter, early spring, really says, hey, spring is going to come. But what I like them for are the cherries, the large fruits here. These are about the size of an olive. They start out bright red, but as they mature into a dark purple, almost like a dark olive, black olive color, they get sweeter. I eat them when they're red, and they're very, very tart. But when they get this dark purple color, they become much sweeter. And when you're harvesting them, if you have to tug on them and pull, then it's probably not ripe, especially if the stem comes off with it. But if you just touch the thing, just touching it, and it falls off into your fingers, then it's going to be much sweeter and it's much riper. They probably still need sugar for a lot of people, or if you're going to use them for a pie or something else, but I like them just eating them the way they are. They do have a large pit, like an olive or a cherry, and so you do have to get rid of that, but it's a really great fruit, so it does an extra benefit to a nice small tree. So if you're looking for a small tree, maybe a privacy screen area for an area, they're very dense, a lot of trunks, and they have bright yellow flowers in the spring as an added bonus. So if you're in the mood for some cherries, then you're going to have to find me, because the Cornelian Cherry Dogwood pie is in the making. A well-deserved dessert after a long harvest and a lot of squishing of the seeds to get them out in the pits. And now we have a raspberry, strawberry, and Cornelian Cherry Dogwood pie with a little bit of ice cream. Delicious.